Welcome to ClearSky Locate. This video shows how to install the 3-wire ClearSky Locate Telematics module on a JLG 2646 ES scissor lift. ClearSky Locate is for use in installation in North America on all self-propelled JLG products with a 12-volt or 24-volt DC control system and equipped with the standard 4-pin JLG Telematics Ready plug. If your machine does not have a JLG Telematics Ready plug, contact JLG Service. Before you begin, remove all hardware from packaging to ensure you have all required components. The ClearSky Locate kit will include 8 4-inch tie straps, 1 TCU 3-wire module, 1 telematics harness, 1 ClearSky decal, and 1 radio frequency decal. You will also need standard mechanical tools and eye protection to complete the installation. It is recommended to thoroughly review and understand all instructions before getting started. Be sure to follow all applicable safety precautions while working on, around, or under any machinery. Remember to disconnect the battery and to ensure engine and coolant temperatures are cool before installation of ClearSky Locate. Do not operate the machine until all processes have been completed. To begin, locate an area for mounting the TCU near the JLG 4-pin Telematics Ready plug on the machine. Note: do not mount at this time. On AWPs, the JLG Telematics Ready plug is generally located near the rear of the ground controls. See the machine's service and maintenance manual to locate your plug, or contact JLG Service. Route the telematics harness from the TCU location to the 4-wire JLG Telematics Ready plug, ensuring that the harness can be secured to prevent damage. Connect the telematics harness to the machine Telematics Ready plug and then the TCU. Prepare the mounting locations for the TCU and decals with the supplied alcohol wipe to ensure the surfaces are clean and free of grease. Remove the tape backing off the back of the TCU and adhere the TCU to the machine surface. Apply steady and moderate force for approximately 30 seconds to activate the pressure-sensitive adhesive and ensure a proper bond is formed. Properly secure the TCU harness with the supplied tie straps if necessary. Ensure the blue and green LEDs on the TCU illuminate as shown here. Install the decals in the identified locations. The radio frequency decal must be installed on the outside of the telehandler cab or near the ground controls on all AWPs. The ClearSky decal is optional but recommended. Placement options are shown in the written installation instructions. Power on the machine. Electric AWPs should have the e-stop pulled and the ground controls selected. Engine-powered AWPs and telehandlers should be started and allowed to idle while the TCU performs its initialization functions. Visit clearsky.jlg.com to finalize the TCU and machine registration process. The installation of ClearSky Locate is now complete and ready for use. For information, please consult your manual or contact customer support at 1-877-JLG-LIFT, option 6.